All right, here is another strategy that is exclusive to Helium 10, setting custom rules for your advertising. This can save you up to 95% of the time that it normally takes to manage Amazon ads. And honestly, the value here should be really self-explanatory. It's a direct way to make more money while saving time. Think about how we used to do PPC management without software or agencies. We would download search term reports from Seller Central, run pivot tables and VLOOKUPs, and then sift through multiple weeks of data. We had to manually find things like which search terms had 25 plus clicks but no sales, and then go into Seller Central, track down the right campaign, and pause or negative match those targets one by one. Or let's say you had a rule like if ACoS is between 100 and 120%, bring it down closer to 70%. You'd have to build formulas in Excel to find those targets, then create more formulas to figure out how much to lower those bids, and then manually adjust every single one in Seller Central. Maybe that's manageable if you have one product and 5 campaigns, but if you have hundreds of campaigns across multiple products, I know there's quite a few of you out there that do because I've spoken to you before, it's impossible. And that is where Helium 10 Ads really changes the game. We have rules-based campaign management, and you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all AI. You can actually create rules based on how you want to run your advertising. So maybe that means you want to optimize by ACoS, or you want to check out your return on ad spend, maybe by day parting. Whatever rules that you currently manage by hand, Helium 10 Ads can automate that for you. For example, in one of these campaigns, we have set rules like if ACoS is between 50 to 60%, lower the bid to 40 cents. If it's between 40 to 50%, drop it to 30. On the flip side of this, we have if the ACoS is super low, say 3 to 5%, then we'll have the system raise the bid to capture more sales. We've also set rules that say if a target gets 25 clicks and 0 orders in 60 days and we want to pause it out, basically a set it and forget it mentality, we can even add in schedules. For instance, we noticed that the ads were performing terribly from 10 to 11, so we set a rule to automatically lower bids by 75% during that time. Before, our ACoS was 172% at that hour, and now it's practically abysmal. It's 0 wasted spend because the system follows the rules that we set. And the best part is Helium 10 doesn't just automate blindly, it also gives bid suggestions that align with the rules that we've created. For instance, on our coffin shelf keyword, our cost per click was 29 cents. And since the rule was to bring ACoS down to 20%, Helium 10 suggested lowering the bid by 3 cents. I then had 58 suggestions like that in a single day, and I could implement all of them with just one click. What used to take hours with spreadsheets now takes minutes. We manage over 250 campaigns across 3 accounts, and we can optimize them all in about 15 minutes a week. That's at least 5 to 10 hours saved every single week. Helium 10 is the only all-in-one tool that gives you full rules-based ad management, and it's going to save you time, save you money, uncover optimizations you would never find manually. And if you're on the Diamond plan, you already have access to Helium 10 Ads, so you'll want to start using it today. Catch you in the next strategy.